System errors causing the Libvlc DLL crashes in your apps? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. This DLL file is the core library of the VLC Media Player. It provides the foundational audio and video processing engine used by VLC and other third-party applications to play almost any media format on Windows. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of VideoLAN VLC to restore the Libvlc DLL library without risking system instability. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the libvlc message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for the Libvlc DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for the Libvlc. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the VideoLAN VLC error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.